Welcome to the next question in our CK mock question series.
Okay, we have already done the question number 18, so we can do that. Do this in following namespace. We have to create a namespace that is called secret. So let's do that. Done. Create a pod name, secret name, which should keep running for some time. Okay, let's do that. K run. This is the pod name. Okay, hyphen image. This is the image. Okay, create a pod name secret. Do the following in new. Okay, secret hyphen sleep for 1 day. It's running. There is an existing secret. Let's edit that. Opt course 19 secret 1.yaml. Everything is correct. Namespace is to do. Just add it. That the namespace which we have created. K create -f. Copy it. Paste it there. Secret has been created. Now what we have to do that we have to use this existing secret in the pod and mount it as a volume in the read-only format. Okay, got it. And then we have to create a new secret as well. Let's do that. Okay, create secret generic, the name of secret, secret2 hyphen namespace is secret hyphen from hyphen literal is equal to user1 from literal is equal to pass 1 2 3 4. Okay, I think that's good. It's created. Okay, edit pod secret pod, sorry, secret pod hyphen and secret. We have to use the volume mount. Mount path. What will be the mount path? /tmp /secret1. This is for the secret one which doing, and the name would be, let's say, test. Okay. Secret name. I'm missing that. How we can pass value from env secret env. Let's see that. Secret and secret name. Let's do that way. Secret name. What's the secret name? That is secret one, right? Secret one. This is done. env and I'm missing that part. Read only is true. Read only is true. Okay, now the first section is completed. Now we need to inject, that is a env, the secrets which we have created. Just app user, app user. Okay, app user, and the name of the secret, that is secret 2. Here the key would be the user, okay, which is mentioned in the questions. And the same way here, the name of the env which we want, that is app ass, which we have at this values in the questions. So the secret name here, again the secret 2. These things can be avoided while doing the copy paste. Okay, so here I'm just mentioning is the pass, so it's not gonna edit it because we're gonna replace it. Okay, replace -4 -f. It's temporary. Pod has been deleted. It's trying to create the pod. Let's see if it is created or if we have anything error. It seems that there is some error. We'll see that. Okay, create -f. Okay, it's not deleted yet, that's why it's showing that's issue. Okay, go to pod -secret, terminating. Okay, delete pod -grace -period is equal to 0. Secret pod -n secret. Till the time I'm creating this. Okay, get pods -n secret. Okay, locks. It's not coming.
Thank you for watching. See you in next video.